Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. If you're someone who appreciates a little luxury in your makeup bag, but doesn't want to break the bank, then today's review might just be a game changer for you. We're looking at the KIKO Milano Smart Fusion Lipstick in the stunning 415 Raspberry shade. A lipstick designed to deliver rich color and nourishment. But how well does it really perform? Let's get into it. The KIKO Milano Smart Fusion Lipstick is not just about the color. It promises a rich, luminous finish, while the formula is designed to nourish your lips with every swipe. This lipstick is part of the Smart Fusion line, which aims to combine both high-quality pigments and skincare benefits, making it stand out in a crowded lipstick market. The color itself, 415 Raspberry, is a vibrant yet wearable berry shade that leans slightly towards the pink side, making it perfect for a range of skin tones. It offers a luminous, almost glossy finish, which is ideal for those who want that plump and hydrated look without the weight of a traditional gloss. The lipstick comes in a sleek, compact stick form, which makes application easy, even on the go. When I first tried this lipstick, I was pleasantly surprised by how smooth and creamy the formula feels. It glides effortlessly across the lips, and you can instantly feel the nourishment it provides. My lips didn't dry out after several hours of wear, which is a huge plus, especially for those of us who tend to go for more matte options and end up with parched lips by the afternoon. In terms of wearability, the KIKO Milano Smart Fusion Lipstick has a decent staying power for a product with such a creamy formula. It lasted around 4 to 5 hours before I felt the need for a touch-up, which is quite impressive, given that the formula is more on the moisturizing side rather than a long wear one. I didn't experience any feathering or bleeding, which is another win for a lipstick that's on the creamier side. But of course, no product is perfect. While the formula is moisturizing and comfortable, if you're someone who prefers a super matte look or ultra long wearing lipstick, this might not be the product for you. The luminous finish is lovely, but it may not be what you're after if you're looking for something with more staying power or a completely matte finish. Also, the pigmentation is good, but not as intense as other more high pigment formulas out there. So if you're after a bold, dramatic lip, you may need to layer it a bit. Now let's talk about value for money. Priced reasonably for a high-quality lipstick, KIKO Milano offers great performance without the hefty price tag. While not the cheapest lipstick out there, I'd say you're getting good value for your money when considering the nourishing properties of the formula, the luminous finish, and the wearability. Compared to other brands at a similar price point, the KIKO Milano Smart Fusion Lipstick holds its ground quite well. Brands like Maybelline or L'Oreal offer similar finishes, but KIKO's formula feels a little more luxurious without the luxury price. If you've been eyeing high-end lipsticks but haven't wanted to splurge, this is a solid alternative that delivers quality without the cost. The packaging is sleek and minimalistic, typical of KIKO Milano's design ethos. It feels sturdy in the hand, and the twist-up mechanism works smoothly. However, it's not the most durable packaging I've encountered, so just be mindful of not dropping it. As for longevity, while the product itself feels moisturizing and comfortable for hours, I would say you might need to reapply after eating or drinking. It's not going to last all day, but if you're okay with reapplying as needed, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. If you're not ready to commit to this product, or are looking for something else in a similar price range, alternatives like Maybelline's Color Sensational Creamy Matte Lipstick or NYX's Soft Matte Lip Cream could be worth considering, especially if you lean towards more matte finishes. However, the KIKO Milano Smart Fusion Lipstick shines if you want something that's more moisturizing with a radiant finish. So what's the final verdict? This lipstick is a solid choice for those who want a hydrating, luminous lip product with great color payoff. If you're someone who loves creamy, nourishing formulas and doesn't mind reapplying, then this is definitely worth trying out. It's especially great for anyone who's looking for a comfortable, everyday lipstick that will leave your lips feeling soft and smooth. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in today. You can find the link to purchase the KIKO Milano Smart Fusion Lipstick in the comments or description box below. Have you tried this lipstick? Or do you have another favorite? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.